Email marketing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your business online. In fact, recent statistics show that average return on investment is $42 for every $1 you spend on email marketing. So you need an autoresponder, forms, and landing pages for your online business, but what if you can't afford a premium membership? No problem. I've narrowed it down to the best free email marketing just for you. Number 1 is GetResponse. GetResponse gives you landing pages, conversion funnels, and much more. You can try it free for 30 days. Creating a landing page only takes minutes, and they give you tons of templates to choose from. If you want to learn more about GetResponse, make sure to check out my review on MatthewGross.com. This platform is perfect for bloggers, affiliate marketers, and e-commerce stores too. Next up is Aweber. I've compared GetResponse with Aweber and found them to be very much the same, although there's one main difference. Aweber now offers a free plan. It used to cost $19 per month. Now you get it free and no credit card needed. You also can get it with no time restrictions, which means you can use it for as long as you want and at no cost to you. You'll get unlimited landing pages, video landing pages, and everything you need to grow your business online. Number 3, GrooveFunnels. GrooveFunnels is awesome. It's hard to believe that it's actually for free. It used to cost $99 a month. Now it's 100% free, no credit card required. Click the link in the description to get started right now. You get access to a lifetime membership with 20 apps included. And my top favorite apps are the GrooveFunnel pages that give you hosting and allow you to create 3 websites or funnels. Groove Video, so you can display videos using the player embeds. And I like the Groove Quiz for lead generation. All of these platforms are free and offer free landing page. I've enjoyed many free email marketing platforms. However, none of them stacked up to these 3 because 2 of them on this list used to be part of a premium membership, and now you can get them 100% free. I recommend Aweber and GrooveFunnels if you're looking for a no credit card and no time restrictions with all of the tools you need to build a business online. Click the link in the description to sign up for the best free email marketing software platforms, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.